Today, we're diving into a crucial topic: boosting your system's performance by cleaning up and freeing up space on Windows 11 and 10. Step 1. Opening the Disk Cleanup tool. Navigate to the Start menu, type Disk Cleanup, and select the corresponding result. Ensure you run it as an administrator for full access. Step 2. Selecting the drive. Once Disk Cleanup opens, choose the drive you want to clean. Typically, this is your C drive. Click OK. Quick tip: deleting unnecessary files can significantly improve your system's performance. Step 3. Scanning system files. Click on Clean up System Files to initiate a deeper scan, specifically targeting Windows Update files. And there you have it. 3 simple steps to boost your system's performance and free up valuable space by deleting Windows Update files. Don't forget to hit that like button if you found this guide helpful, and subscribe for more tech tips. Until next time,